In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install the operating system onto the VM we created in part 1. If you haven't seen that, be sure to check it out. To start, we'll need to load the ISO onto the data store so that we can access it with our VM. I've already created an ISO folder and uploaded the ISO for Windows Server 2019 Core Edition. But this is going to be the same basically for any operating system you want to install. Just put the ISO there and you're able to attach it to your VM and use it to install just like you would a physical machine. It's important to note this isn't the best way to do it for each VM you create, but the initial VM you create, or if you're just learning this for the first time, this is a great way to do it. After you've created a template, you can use that to create new VMs, and so you don't have to attach an ISO each time you install a VM. We have the ISO in our data store, so let's go to our VM that we created. Right-click, Edit Settings. Select the CD/DVD drive 1 and change it to Data Store ISO File. Here, navigate to where your ISO is. You'll see my Server 2019 Standard Core Edition. And you want to select Connect. Once this is connected, we can power on this VM. And want to open up the console. I use the web console for ease of use. You start the VM and press any key just like you would if this was a physical machine. And you should get the Windows setup screen. From here, you just walk through the Windows setup the same way you would if this was a physical machine. And that is it for how you install an operating system. Short and sweet. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those below, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.